kuendare Walkathon. Yes, uri kuendare Walkathon on 2nd May. Are you ready? Myself, I'm getting ready, and I can't wait for the day of Ezekiel at Guti Day. Yes, the legacy is continuing, where we are celebrating on 2nd of May the legacy which inspired the nations. So, did you register? Please find the link in comment section and please get ready. See myself, I'm getting ready. I can't wait, and I don't want to lose. I want